Are you stressed about retirement? If so, you're not alone. Millions of people face the same uncertainty, but there's a way to take the edge off. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a retirement app to actually lower your stress levels and make your future feel more secure. Stay tuned, because by the end, you'll know exactly how to turn this overwhelming topic into something you can actually control. So, first off, let's talk about the major stressor when it comes to retirement: the unknown. You might wonder, will I have enough money to live comfortably? It's a valid concern, but the right retirement app can take the guesswork out of it. These apps can track your progress, show you exactly how much you need to save, and give you a clear path forward. No more guessing if you're on track. The app tells you. For many people, retirement feels like a far-off dream, and that's part of the problem. With everything in life moving so fast, it's hard to see how today's choices affect tomorrow. But when you plug your numbers into a retirement app, it gives you an immediate snapshot of what your future could look like based on your current actions. That's something incredibly powerful. You'll actually see the impact of today's decisions on your tomorrow, and knowing exactly where you stand can help lower that financial stress. But I'm not going to sugarcoat things. There's one thing you need to know. Not all retirement apps are created equal. Some apps just track your savings, but that's not going to give you the full picture. What you really need is an app that provides personalized guidance, like how much to save each month or what to adjust in your investment strategy. This way, you're not just checking a box, you're taking strategic action toward a stress-free retirement. Here's the thing. I've worked with financial planners and retirement experts for years, and they all agree on one key point. Tracking your retirement isn't enough. You need real-time insights and suggestions based on your unique situation. And that's what a solid retirement app can offer. Not just numbers, but actionable steps that reduce stress and increase confidence. This is where a lot of apps fall short, and it's why I'm telling you, you need to pick the right one. Now, there's something else that most retirement apps don't tell you, but I'll let you in on it. Peace of mind doesn't just come from tracking your funds. It comes from knowing you have a plan that adjusts to life's unexpected events. Whether it's a market downturn or a big life change, the right app can help you tweak your plan without completely derailing your progress. That's a game changer when it comes to staying calm and focused, instead of being overwhelmed by what-ifs. So, what's the one thing you absolutely should do with a retirement app to make sure it actually lowers your stress? Set up alerts. Many apps let you create reminders for when it's time to adjust your savings, review your portfolio, or even when you're ahead of your goals. These little nudges keep you on track and give you peace of mind, knowing that you're always staying proactive instead of reactive. Before I wrap up, there's one more thing that's super important, and I want to make sure you don't miss it. Using a retirement app is great, but it's not a magic fix. The real value comes from actively using it and adjusting based on what you learn. The more you engage with your app, the more confident and less stressed you'll feel about retirement. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. I don't work with any affiliate programs, so you can trust that my content is all about giving you the straight facts, without any hidden agendas. If you want more value-packed videos on simplifying your financial future, this is the place to be.